Hi everyone. In this given problem statement, we have to reverse the word in a string. So in order for us to do it, the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to remove the white spaces leading and the last white spaces. In order to do it, we're going to use the strip function. Once that is done, we are going to split all of this string with the white spaces. Once that is done, we are going to have a empty list, and then we are going to run a for loop. So for I in range 0 to length of s, if s of I should not be equal to an empty value, in that case we are going to append the value to our res list, so s of I, and once that is done we are just going to return our res, but we also have to reverse it. So we have to write the reverse function, and we do not have to return it in form of a list, we have to return it from form of a string. So in order to do it, we are going to use the join function dot join, and this should work. So let me click on run. The public test case is passed. Let me click on submit. As you could see, the private test case is also passed and the solution got submitted properly. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.